درسنا درسنا أنا درست نحن درسنا أنت درست أنت درستي أنتم درستم أنتن درستن أنا درست نحن درسنا. Inshallah, we'll practice because this is a new thing. Okay, and that's why I start in the beginning so that we practice bit by bit, and we become stronger, inshallah. Now, brothers and sisters, we did our couple of verbs, and we did the drill of pronoun. Now I am coming to, I got to show you a lot of things. Yesterday we did nearly 2.5 lessons. But, brothers and sisters, you got to write at home. Writing will make you perfect. If you shy away from writing, I'm afraid you will find book 3 difficult. But if you practice writing, you will love book 3, inshallah. Okay. I wrote down a sentence. هذا جديد. Okay, brothers and sisters? هذا جديد. What kind of a sentence is this? Jumla Ismiya. Okay, what do we look in Jumla Ismiya? Mubtada and Khabar. Where is Mubtada? Haza. Where is Khabar? No, what is Haza? It is a pronoun. Demonstrative Ismu Ishara. In English we call it demonstrative pronoun. Okay? And all pronouns are definite. Remember, all pronouns are definite. That is why the Mubtada is definite. Most of the time Mubtada will be definite. Most of the time Mubtada will be definite. Very soon I want to bring example from Quran in which Mubtada is indefinite. And I will tell you why. Okay, brothers and sisters? Al-Baytu Jadidun. What kind of a sentence it is? Ismiya. Where is Mubtada? Al-Baytu. Where is Khabar? Jadidun. Okay? So, Hada Jadidun. This is new. The house is new. I'm pointing to the same thing. Now, we put these together. Hadal Baytu. What is the English translation? This house. This house. Sentence is not complete. This house. What about it? Give me some news. This house is new. So how do we analyze in Arabic, brothers and sisters? First, noun is our mubtada. Then what shall I? Badal. It is called badal. Means substitute. Badal means substitute. Not badal. Badal. Badal means cloud. Badal is substitute. How do I explain that it is substitute? Brother, if I put my hand on Baitu, what is left is Hada Jadidun. So if I remove Baitu, it makes sense. And if I do this, Al-Baitu Jadidun. So it is there, the sense is there. So then, in Arabic we say, Al-Baitu is a substitute for Hada. So we call it Badal. Mubtada, Badal. Badal of what? Hada. Badal of what? Hada. And our Khabar is there. Okay. Look at this sentence. This is here. هذه البيدة كبيرة. What is the English translation? This egg is big. So what is هذه? Mubtada. What is al-baydatu? Badal. Badal. Because see, it came after ismu ishara. Sahi? And then what is kabiratun? Khabar. You got the idea, inshallah? How many ismu ishara we have done so far, brothers and sisters? 4. Hada, hazihi, zalika, and tilka. Later on we'll do more. Any time there is a ismu ishara and then a noun which is definite coming after ismu ishara, that noun will be most of the time badal. Most of the time badal. Okay? We will be studying examples from Quran and from the book. Okay. Now, since I have written this sentence, we might as well look at it. هذه الدجاجة, this chicken, li binti fallahi. Fallahi is the farmer. Binti is the daughter. How do I analyze, brother? هذه مبتدا. الدجاجة badal. Now I have to look for the khabar. The khabar is not one word. Khabar is jar majroor. So what is li? Harf jar. Harf jar, ism majroor. I have to have a ism majroor next to it. So what is binti? Ism majroor. Okay? And now there is something more after binti. So it is mudaf ilayh. So binti huwa mudaf. Huwa mudaf ilayh. If you will think of huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayh, inshallah, a lot of things will become very easy, inshallah. Very, very easy. This is all very logical and very interesting. I found it very fascinating. Okay, next one. هذه الساعة. What is هذه? مبتدا. What is ساعة? Badal. Now we have to have a khabar. What is li? Harf jar. I need isam majrur. Ibni. So libni. So then huwa mudaf and then mudaf ilayh. But if you can say these things, alhamdulillah, you have achieved something nice. Sister Fatima, is it clear? I have a request. Brother, I admire your efforts. I admire your sacrifice. I have highest respect for your sacrifice and your dedication. And I am here to help you. If you do not understand anything, ask me and I'll help you. I will sit after the class to show you everything. Okay, sisters, if you will ask me, I'll come and sit with you and I'll show you. Brothers, if you will ask me, I'll sit with you and show you. So feel free to ask me. I am at your service. Now if you don't ask me, the loss is yours. Okay? Yes, Sister Salma?
I have a question.
Yes.
Why can't we say ism majroor khabar wa huwa mudaf? Why do we eliminate that word khabar altogether?
No, we are not eliminating khabar. No, we are not, Salma. See, here I can say li harf jar, li harf jar. We got to find a simple way of doing it. Okay? Li harf jar, binti ism majroor. Then you can say, if you were to write, jar majroor, shibu jumla, khabar. And then you don't say mudaf, because it will be too much repetition. Then you will say